Hello everyone, I'm here before you one more time. You know, there are two girls standing with me. I hope you know them very well. Why do you know them? Not because of their personalities, not because of their high scores, not because of their, home, not because of their parents. You know both of them because of their English language performance. And I'm really touched by their performance. And their English is very nice. They participate very actively and very sharply. You know, today what they are going to do, I would like to ask them questions in Hindi and they will answer me in English. Why I want to listen to them again and again? Because I am impressed by their English language. They speak confidently, they speak good English, and they speak fluently. That's why I am touched by their speaking, and I hope you too. So again, you watch their videos, gentlemen, and I would like to ask their questions from them. So shall we start?
Here we go.
Very nice. What's your name, please?
I'm Anya.
What's your name, please?
I'm Bhumika.
भूमिका, आप मुझे बोल करके बताइएगा। मैं मार्केट जा रही हूँ।
I'm going to market.
मैं मार्केट नहीं जा रही।
I'm not going to market.
मैं तो बाइक चला रही हूँ।
I'm riding a bike.
मैं कार चला रही हूँ।
I'm driving a car.
क्या अतुल सर कार चला रहे हैं?
Is Atul sir driving a car?
अतुल सर तो कार नहीं चला रहे।
Atul sir is not driving a car.
अतुल सर तो मारुति चला रहे हैं।
Atul sir is driving Maruti.
अतुल सर मारुति चला चुके हैं।
Atul sir has driven Maruti.
Very nice. Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
Does your mother speak English?
My mother speaks English.
क्या आपकी मम्मी इंग्लिश बोलती हैं?
Yes, my mother speaks English.
मैं इंग्लिश नहीं बोलता।
I do not speak English.
मेरे पापा इंग्लिश बोलते हैं।
My father speaks English.
मेरी मम्मी इंग्लिश नहीं बोलती।
My mother does not speak English.
मेरे अंकल इंग्लिश बोलते हैं।
My uncle speaks English.
मेरे ताऊजी इंग्लिश बोलते हैं।
My tauji speaks English.
अब मैं मार्केट जाती हूँ।
I go to market.
मैं मार्केट जा रही हूँ।
I'm going to market.
मेरी मम्मी मार्केट जा चुकी हैं।
My mother has gone to market.
मेरे पापा मार्केट से आ चुके हैं।
My father has come from market.
मेरे मम्मी डिनर बना चुकी हैं।
My mother has prepared dinner.
अतुल सर डिनर बना रहे हैं।
Atul sir is preparing dinner.
मैंने डिनर कर लिया।
I have taken dinner.
सलमान खान ने भी डिनर कर लिया।
Salman Khan has taken dinner.
माधुरी दीक्षित नाच चुकी है।
Madhuri Dixit has danced.
Really, again I am touched by their speaking and I hope you too. They are giving very good answers in English. Sometimes I ask them in English, sometimes I ask them in Hindi. In both languages, they are answering very actively. Very nice performance of them. Gentlemen, यदि इन लोगों के माध्यम से और साधारण लड़कियों के माध्यम से और छोटे शहरों की रहने वाली लड़कियों के माध्यम से आप लोग भी इम्प्रेस होना चाहते हैं और आप लोग भी बढ़िया इंग्लिश को बोलते हुए लोगों को देखना चाहते हैं और आप खुद भी अंग्रेजी बोलना चाहते हैं, तो उसके लिए आपको कुछ नहीं करना, सिर्फ एक छोटी सी जॉब आपको करनी है। हमारे इस चैनल को आप तुरंत से तुरंत सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, शेयर करें। थैंक यू।